Hello and welcome back to Angular-2 Masterclass with Alejandro Rangel. In this short video we will talk about ES6 classes. So far in ES5, in the JavaScript that we use nowadays, we don't have classes. So it looks something like this, our code today. If we want to write class, we can define a function, pass some parameters, and then inside the function we do this.name, this.founder, and after that we can do language, initialize this, and we have a pseudo function. So also we can use prototype, so we can create inheritance, we can define properties and so on. But is it not a hack, this? Well, there are many opinions. There are people that love to work with prototype, it's super flexible and so on. But if you think about it, really, most modern languages like Java, C#, and Objective-C and many other ones has classes. So we need classes also in JavaScript very soon. So I personally think this is just a hack. This is my opinion. This shouldn't be like this, that if I want to write a class, I should extend a prototype and so on, blah, 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 blah. I want the keyboard class, and I hope that you too. And hopefully in ES6, it's going to be something like this. We can define class, language, then we have a constructor, as it should be. These are the parameters to initialize our class. And then we can define methods like summary. So this is one really cool feature from ES6, because this will allow us to define models in a much easier way to read and most usable way than writing prototypes. Okay, so as always, let's try this in Babel and let's see how it looks. So you get used to write ES6 code. So we are here. Wow. Okay, so in ES6 classes, we can do this class person. This is a classical example. What do we have? We need a property that is a name, right? And we have a constructor that receives one property that is the name. Then we set the value of the parameter, and we can get name. This is a function, return this dot name. So is it easy to read? From my personal opinion, it is. This is kind of the ES5 version of this. So obviously we don't write a code like this, but again, we are using here prototypes and so on. This is a hack, right? This is a nice way to write a class. It's easy to understand. You can see which are the properties, the constructor, the functions, and so on. So how do we instantiate an object from this? We can do var person equal new person, pass the name, and then we could do something like console.log person.getName. How cool is that? So we are printing Alejandro, everything works as is expected, and we can agree that this code is way simpler than something like this, right? So these are our classes in ES6, and hopefully we have this available in all modern browsers soon. So see you in the next video.